60 seconds is what they give us. They all hit high, didn't they? Yep. And see, I got it kind of tilted. I'm trying to be on my bone structure instead of on my belly. Like if you do like this and shoot like a frog, every time you breathe, it's like
You're moving. Yep.
That ain't bad for 15, is it?
No.
Let's mark them. I'm gonna be cocky. I could bury you in the woods, Justin, and nobody would know.
We already got the carpet to roll you up in.
This is true. I'm gonna shoot right in front of his truck, which is close to 25. I mean, I don't guess I'm gonna shoot at 25, then am I? Yeah, that's beyond repair. We done shot it apart. But that's good though for 25. Man, I'll take that. I mean, well, 15. I mean, I'll take that all day long. I mean, really, honestly, you know, if I could keep it within this grid.
Yep.
Well, maybe take away one block on each side. You know.
Stay in the green and in.
Yeah, yes. If I could stay in the green, anywhere in this green the whole time I'm shooting, I can pass. And I really, laying down I struggle. I struggle at laying down. But after shooting that gives me some confidence. I'm happy. Except for Justin filming this. I'm going to have to put his phone. Will you hold this and film it while I shoot the Elastic rounds? This is a 380, okay? Normally I shoot better than this with any other caliber. This is a small 380. Please bear with me. This is not a true test of my skill.
Next time, let's go get pizzas.
Pizza bot, yeah. You sit here and eat and shoot at the box. Yeah. Yeah, I'll just dump those other ones back in the thing. Yeah, I can live with that though. Cool.